Hi everyone, welcome to Data Studio. I'm Nisha and today we will learn about SQL commands and why we need SQL commands. Before we get started, I want to briefly tell you what is SQL and why we need them. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. We need SQL because it's the standard language to work with relational databases. Relational databases store data in tables with rows and columns. We need SQL to store and organize data, to retrieve data using SQL queries, to manipulate data, to control data access. SQL is used across almost all relational databases, which makes it a valuable and portable skill for developers, data analysts, data engineers, and data scientists. Now let's take a look at some of the common relational databases used across the industries. Some of the common relational databases are MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle Database, SQLite, and MariaDB. I'll be using SQL Server for my upcoming tutorials. Now, let's understand what are SQL commands and why we need them. SQL commands are the fundamental building blocks for communicating with a database management system, DBMS. It is used to interact with the database with some operations. It is also used to perform specific tasks, functions, and queries of data. SQL can perform various tasks like creating a table, adding data to a table, dropping the table, modifying the table, set permission for users. SQL commands are broadly divided into five categories: DDL, DML, DCL, DQL, and TCL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. DCL stands for Data Control Language. DQL stands for Data Query Language. And TCL stands for Transaction Control Language. Thank you everyone. In the next video, we will dive deeper into each command one by one with real examples and use cases so you can fully understand how and when to use them. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to stay updated, and leave a comment if you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover.